In the sun-drenched islands of the eastern Pacific Ocean lives a seabird that proves evolution has a sense of color. The blue-footed booby, Sula nebouxii, is instantly recognizable for one extraordinary feature: brilliant turquoise feet so vivid they seem almost artificial. But in nature, nothing this bold is accidental. These birds inhabit the tropical and subtropical eastern Pacific, from the Gulf of California down the coasts of Mexico, Central America, Ecuador, and Peru. They are especially famous in the Galapagos Islands, where volcanic rock meets nutrient-rich waters. Here, ocean upwellings bring sardines and anchovies to the surface, fuel for one of the ocean's most specialized hunters. The bluefeet are not merely ornamental. Their color comes from carotenoid pigments obtained through diet, particularly from fresh fish. These pigments also function as antioxidants, supporting immune health. The brighter the blue, the healthier the bird. Studies show that females preferentially choose males with more intensely colored feet, because brightness signals strong genetics and good foraging ability. Dull coloration can indicate stress, illness, or poor nutrition. In this species, color is honesty. When breeding season begins, the male transforms into a performer. He lifts one foot slowly, then the other, exaggerating each step. He spreads his wings, tilts his head skyward, and presents his feet like rare jewels. The display may look comical to human observers, but to a female blue-footed booby, it is a carefully evaluated signal of reproductive fitness. The bluer the feet, the longer her attention lingers. Once paired, the birds nest directly on bare ground, often on rocky coastal flats. They do not construct elaborate nests, instead they scrape a shallow depression in the soil. The female usually lays 1 to 3 eggs. Incubation is unique. The parents use their webbed feet to warm the eggs. Their feet are highly vascularized, meaning blood flow can increase to transfer heat directly to the developing embryos. The same structures that advertise health also nurture life. At sea, the blue-footed booby becomes a precision predator. From heights of up to 25 meters, it spots schools of fish with remarkable visual acuity. Then it folds its wings and dives headfirst, hitting the water at speeds exceeding 90 kilometers per hour. Specialized air sacs beneath the skin and a streamlined body help absorb the impact. Forward-facing eyes provide depth perception, allowing accurate targeting beneath the surface. They often hunt cooperatively, diving in coordinated groups to herd fish into tighter formations. Their primary diet consists of sardines, anchovies, and other small schooling fish. When ocean conditions shift, especially during El Niño events, fish populations decline, and breeding success can drop dramatically. In this way, the blue-footed booby's life is closely tied to climate and ocean health. Chicks hatch covered in white down, with grayish feet that will not turn blue until they mature and consume a carotenoid-rich diet. Sibling competition can be intense. In years when food is scarce, older chicks may outcompete younger ones, a harsh but natural mechanism that ensures at least one survives. The name booby comes from the Spanish word bobo, meaning foolish or clumsy. Early sailors gave them this name because of their awkward movement on land and their relative fearlessness toward humans. Yet in the air and underwater, they are anything but foolish. They are highly adapted specialists, built for a narrow ecological niche that rewards precision and stamina. Adults measure roughly 80 to 90 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of about 1.5 meters and a lifespan that can reach 17 years in the wild. They belong to the family Sulidae, alongside gannets and other booby species, all known for plunge diving behavior. Currently classified as least concern globally, the species nevertheless depends on stable marine ecosystems. Overfishing, warming seas, and shifting currents directly affect their food supply. Their population numbers rise and fall with ocean productivity, making them indicators of marine health. The blue-footed booby stands as a reminder that, in evolution, beauty is often functional. Those improbable blue feet are not excess. They are evidence of diet, of vitality, of survival. In a world where many animals rely on camouflage, the blue-footed booby thrives by being unmistakably visible. And sometimes survival belongs to those bold enough to dance.